Ready? Oh, look at that rich life form. Welcome, you guys. I'm back on my juicing. Okay, I already have my recipe here. It's already stuffed. I will put a screenshot of the recipe, but it's actually celery, cucumber, parsley, cilantro, romaine lettuce, ginger, lemon, lime, cucumber. I think that's it, if I remember offhand. But I'll put a screenshot of it on the screen for you to get the recipe. I'm about to do my juice. I have to pause this. I'll be right back. Ain't this nice, y'all? I'm juicing. I'll be back. Here it is. Coming out. Looking good. There's the pulp. You ready for this? Awesome. How awesome is that, y'all? You ready for that? Look at that. Look at that. That's my juice. This is 9.5 bottles of all green, nice, delicious. I am making some red cabbage with apples, lemon, lime, and ginger, and some celery. See the color of the red apples? Excuse me. Did I say red apple? Red cabbage. Looks more like purple cabbage, but on the receipt it said red cabbage, but it looks like purple. These are good for you. Who wants to see? Ready? Oh, look at that rich life form. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Here's my rich juice. I want you to see that. Oh, yum. Woo. This is 32 ounce right there, y'all. That's red cabbage. Rich and full of life. Antioxidant, vitamins, and minerals that are good for your heart, your skin, your memories. It's awesome. I'm done with my juicing, y'all. What's up? How rich. Look at the color of life. If your food don't look colorful and lively, that means they're dead. That you put in dead stuff in a living body, and then you expect something dead to give life to a living body. I just rest my case. I ain't judging nobody. I'm just saying. Now, am I perfect all the time? Of course not. But I do my best. Join me.